oftentimes we take the steps to try to prevent the introduction of disease into our herds by quarantining cattle and making sure that we bring in low-risk cattle, but oftentimes disease is introduced by accidental means, and oftentimes that is by maybe the neighbor's cows getting into your operation. Most commonly is the neighbor's bull breaking into your operation and potentially transmitting some disease. And so steps to try to prevent those cattle from gaining access to your pastures is important, and always evaluating and looking at perimeter fences. There's always a saying that good fences make good neighbors, and that's often true. And so take a look at those fences and making sure that you maintain those fences and keep them up so that you can try to prevent unwanted access to those cattle. The other thing we've got to think about is unwanted access by people as well, or unauthorized access. And so any steps that we can take to prevent the unauthorized access of people coming into your operation that could potentially spread disease. They could be carriers of disease, but also it helps to prevent theft on the operation, as well as potentially there could be some risk associated with unwanted visitors coming in and potentially any kind of accidents that they could get into on your ranch. And so it's always important when we think about unauthorized visitors to try to keep gates secure. Put some locks on those gates when we look at outside entrance into your operations. Keeping those gates locked will prevent people from just coming onto your place and ultimately prevent the spread of disease, but also reduce any risk of theft or any accidents that those visitors could incur when coming onto your operation.